So today, right, we'll be doing a little bit of what? Let's take a look at this. All right, let's take a look at this. All right. We'll be doing something called dividing numbers by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. But before everything, right, I want to start off with something. I want to start off with mental sum. All right. I want to start off with mental sum. All right. So what is happening is I need the 4 of you to work together. Okay. I need the 4 of you to work together. And don't worry, it's very simple. So I'll ask things like, hey, what is 5 times 3? Then you must say 15. Right? So first thing of all, I need all of you to turn on. Okay. Maybe you can turn on your volume, all right? Because you need to speak out to me. All right, can you please unmute yourself first? All right. Rudran, okay, and Shiloh, can you unmute yourself, please? Okay, very good. Okay, so can I set it this way? All right, the first person, all right, number one is Shiloh, answer first. All right, don't worry, it's going to be easy, right? So first person is Shiloh, second person is Vinish, okay? All right, and the third person is Rudran. All right, Rudran, and the fourth one is Shah. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. So the thing here is, right, the 4 of you, right, must answer the mental sum correctly. It means every one of you, right, must answer correctly. All right, consecutively. Means Shiloh answer the first question correct, Vinish answer the second question correct, Rudran answer the third question correct, and Shah answer the fourth question correct. That will entitle you to 1 point. All right, everybody will get the 1 point. Okay, so it's a teamwork thing. So if one person got it wrong, too bad. All right, we have to start all over again. Is that okay? All right, so try your best. So think of it as teamwork. And of course, there's a time limit. Right? There's a time limit. All right, so the time limit is you have to be fast. You have to answer the question before the answer is shown. All right, can we just do a trial run? All right, so let's do 4 questions first. And these 4 questions, I promise to give you all the points. All right, but let's just do a trial run. Wait, Jaden is coming in. Yes, Shiloh?
I go toilet.
Okay, go now, quickly, go now, because I can explain to Jaden. All right, the rest of you stay put, okay? Hurry up, Shiloh, go toilet. Hello, Jaden, are you there? Jaden. Yo, Jaden. Right, can you show me your face? Is that Jaden you? Hey, Jaden, can you see me? Hey, yeah. Jaden, my name is Ben Ong from 88 Tuition. Have you seen my video before?
No.
You got visit the lesson plan or not?
No.
Oh no, my goodness. Okay, so Jaden, today primary 3 math class, right? I'm going to start off
with... I did my worksheet.
Okay, very good. But I'm going to start off with something called mental sum first. All right. So I need you to participate in the mental sum. Can? Okay. So just now I was telling the class, right? Hey, listen, Jaden. Just now I was telling the class that first person, right, to answer the question today, all right, will be Shiloh. All right. Second person is Vanish. Third person is Rudran. Fourth person is Shah. And Jaden, you are the 5th person. Can? Okay, and we'll be doing something called problem sums. We'll be doing something called mental sum. It's very easy one, don't worry. And the mental sum is talking about multiplication. So the 5 of you need to get 5 questions correct in order to get some points. So Jaden, just now I was explaining to the class that we have something called the class dojo. Have you seen this class dojo before?
Yeah.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes, you see our dear Rudran already logged in already. All right. That's because he came in early. I gave him the access code to log in. So the rest of you, right, later you can log in to hatch your egg. But later then I give you the access code. Is that okay? All right. So everybody got 1 point. Why? Because this is the class attendance. Everybody is here. All right. But now we are moving into something called mental sum. Okay. If all 5 of you can get the right answer, all right, one after another, every one of you will get some points. Is that okay? Okay, Okay, good lah. Okay, so Jaden, can you on your mic, please? Because I need to hear your voice. But remember, must be one by one. Don't help your friend answer the question. Don't help your friend. Shiloh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do the first 5 questions as a try run. Okay, very easy one. I promise you. Shiloh, ready?
30.
Very good. Okay, you see, Shiloh is very good. She answered the question before the answer show out. Can you see or not? So the answer show out is automatic one. All right, so you must answer before the answer show out. So Shiloh is number 1 already. She got it. Okay, number 2, Vanish, ready? You can do it. Try. All right, try, Vanish, your turn,
Oh,
Can you see or not? Can you see or not? So Vanish, you have to try to answer the question. You must say 28 before the answer comes out. Do you understand? Okay, so next time we try again, okay? But this time around, as I said, I'll give you the point. All right, number 3. Number 3 is Ruden, right? Ruden, right? Ruden, ready? Ready?
24.
Yes, okay, you got it, you got it. All right, you say the answer before the answer came out. All right, I saw that, Good job, good job. All right, so that's 3. Number 4 is Shah. Shah, are you ready?
Yes. 54.
Yes, correct. All right, but you must say faster. Say faster before the answer show. Understand not?
I said it.
Yeah, but you cannot say for her. Not fair. All right, and Jaden, are you ready? Last one, number 5. Ready, Jaden?
Yes. 36.
Yeah, correct, but the answer came out already. Can you see or not? All right, but good try, everybody. Everybody, good try. So ultimately, right, we are doing something called multiplication and division. Yes, this first 5 questions is on multiplication. The next 5 will be on multiplication also, but the last few questions will be on division. All right. So some of you, right, can see that actually you are very good in mental sum. Some of you are a little bit weak, but it's okay. Train yourself. All right. So every lesson, right, we will have a bit of all this mental sum to train your mental power, which I think is very important for you children. Trust me. All right. Once your mental sum is good, right, when you do the question, it will be very simple for you. I promise you. Okay. And sometimes the mental sum will not be on multiplication and division. There can be plus, there can be minus, and all these simple questions. Is that okay? Okay. So just now, right, as I say, I assume that everybody got it correct. All right. So the whole class will get the what? The mental sum, 1 point. All right. Okay. And as I say, right, at the end of the month, right, sometimes, or maybe after 2 months, you see that you have a lot of points. You can actually redeem these points. So the thing is, this points, right, redemption of these points, right, is I will try to give you a e-voucher, electronic voucher. So that you can maybe go to, I don't know, some of the fast food restaurant to buy whatever you want, or maybe you can get a gift for your mother, or you can get a gift for your dad, or maybe you can save up more points and you can exchange for something, maybe iFly or something like that in Sentosa. All right, so all these are possible. All right, so how much points to exchange for what will be listed inside your the post. All right, you have to log in to be able to see what is the redemption about. Is that okay? Okay, and just to let you know, all this redemption, right, is not part of 88 Tuition, it's from my pocket money. All right, so 88 Tuition do not have all this gift redemption. All right, so if you get more points, if you get better in your study and you are encouraged to study and all this, you get more points, I will be able to give you some vouchers. And remember that these vouchers are from me, not from 88 Tuition. Is that understood? Okay, okay, come. Are we ready for the second round? All right, try. Everybody must try. All right, because this is a teamwork. If one person never answer correctly, right? All right, the 5 of them, the rest of you cannot get the point. All right. So now let's start off with Shiloh again. Ready? Shiloh, ready?
32.
Very good. Very good. She got it. So Shiloh got it. Right. Number 2. Vanish, are you ready? Try your best. Ready, Vanish? Let's go.
42.
Yes. Okay. She got it. I think it's the transaction, the internet connection a bit slow, but it's okay. I think she got it. All right. She got it before everything came out. So 42 is correct. Good job. Rudran, are you ready? All right. Ready? You miss out. All right. Because you're unmute. Can you see not? You're unmuted. So you never on your volume. All right. So it's not your fault. All right. But I saw your movement of your mouth. You say 48, right? Yes. So remember to on your audio. If not, I cannot mouth read every time. All right. Good job. So 3 person ready. All right. Next person is Shah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Shah, ready? Let's go.
72.
Yes. You see? So the thing is, I think it's the connection, because sometimes when she speak out, right, it comes out. All right, so she got it also, 72. And Jaden, are you ready? All right, you're the last one. You must be the hero. All right, must get it right. If not, everybody don't get the point. Jaden, ready? Ready? Let's go. Yes, 120, 120. Once again, I think it's the connection again. All right, but I need you guys to try to talk faster a little bit. And next time round, I will try to make the timing a bit longer for you guys. Is that okay? All right, so maybe this time round it's too fast. All right, so once again, right, the mental sum, everybody got it for this round. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay. So in terms of the point system, right, children, don't be worried. I'm very I want to give points, right? I want to give points if there's improvement. All right, so you don't think that I'm very cheapskate or what. All right, you can see that the points always will come in one. Can? Okay. So back to you, Shiloh. So everybody know what to do already, All right, just on your volume. Shiloh, ready? Ready, Let's go.
45.
45, very good. Next one, Manish.
36.
Okay, next one, Rudran, ready?
63.
Okay, next one, Shah, ready?
66.
66, good. And Jaden, last one, let's go. Ready?
50.
60, excellent, excellent. All right. So I just added points again. Next one, Shah, Shiloh, ready? Ready, Shiloh?
64.
64, good, good. Finish, ready?
27.
27, good, good. All right, Rudran, ready?
88.
88, tuition. Shah, ready?
Okay. 0.
0, yes. Jaden, ready?
14.
Yes. All right. So I can see that everybody is doing quite well, really. All right. So everybody is doing well. Okay, now it's going to move into, is it division next? I don't know. All right, Shiloh, ready?
5.
5, very good. Next one, Vanish, division, all these are division ready,
5.
5, good. Rudran, division,
Answer. 6. No, 9.
You miss out, it's 7. It's 7. All right, but good try, good try. All right, so this round cannot count, this round cannot count, All right, so we will continue with Shah, next one, but this round cannot count already, so you can make mistake. Shah, what's the answer?
8.
Okay, very good. And Jaden, what is the answer for this?
2.
2. Okay. All right. So now back to Shiloh. Shiloh, let's go.
Points only.
Sorry?
Points only. Everybody gets 2 plus 2 points because I got wrong.
No, unfortunately, that's why it's a teamwork. Everybody got to work together. But I know you're being very nice, Rudran. You're being very, very, very gentleman here. Right? It's not your fault. Don't worry. Sometimes, right? Sometimes we talk too fast also. All right. And you know that mental sum is important. Next time, train for it. I need you to be very good at mental sum. All right. Okay, come, Shiloh. Ready? Division,
8.
Good. Vanish, ready?
8.
8, good. Rudran, ready?
The second person now. 7.
Good job. Now you got it right. You see, you got it right this time around. Just now you got it wrong, but now you got it right. You see? Wow, Rudran, good job. You learn from a mistake. All right. Shah, ready?
5.
5, good. And Jaden, ready?
11.
Okay. So this one, I assume that everybody got it, Good job. All right, so I'm going to give the points. Okay, one more round. Shiloh, ready, ma? Okay,
9.
9. Okay. Vanish, ready?
Huh?
Let's go.
8.
8, good. Rudran, now.
9.
Good. Shah.